Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 28th to July the 31st reading. Ayan, at last medyo nakahabol tayo, no? Sana magdira-diretso na to, Taurus. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and please do hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience and nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? So kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome, no, Taurus? Pero kung hindi niyo naaabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, Taurus. Parang sa'yo, ayoko mo nang paniwalaan itong mga naririnig ko, sinasabi ko, unless hindi ko nakikita, no? Or hindi ko napapansin, hindi ko, parang to see is to believe, no? Doon lang ako makakampan. Pero for now, hindi ako masyadong maniniwala sa mga sinasabi. So parang sinasabi mo dito, talk is cheap, no? Ilang beses ka nang nangako, ilang beses mo nang sinabi sa akin yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Pero hanggang ngayon, inaantay ko pa din. 'Di ba? Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nga nangyayari. Padagdag ng padagdag ng padagdag ng padagdag itong mga atraso mo sa akin, no? Whether it is something material, whether this is your emotion, your peace of mind. What I am seeing in here is medyo nilalayo mo muna yung sarili mo from the dynamic. So, what I am seeing in here is Taurus, medyo meron tayong energetic separations dito. So you're less engaging with your person, less yung medyo sinasabi nating pakikipag-usap, pakikipagkita, no? Nananamlay, no? Itong ating pakikitungo kay person. The reason being why you're doing this is not because of a third party situation na may third party ka, no? The reason why you're doing this is for you to have a peace of mind, no? Siguro nandito yung sinasabi mo, the more na medyo mas malayo ako kay person, the more na mas wala akong alam, the more na mas panatag yung isip ko. What I am protecting in here is my mental health, diba? And actually, that's one of the best way, for you to not being affected, by the thoughts that you don't know or by the thoughts that you're probably assuming when you're seeing something, with your person. Kasi baka kasi medyo nag-overthink tayo kapag may nakita tayong konti, humahaba, napapalaki natin. So, ano ba yung sabi doon? What I don't know won't kill me. Ayan. With the 10 of Pentacles, the World card, the King of Cups. So, I think you are more focusing on yourself. You are more focusing on... There are plans here probably that you're not telling your person, no? For a few numbers of you, baka biglang sumasaltik talaga, sumasaltik sa isip nyo, no? What if kaya bumalik ako ng ibang bansa, mag-ibang bansa ako, or umuwi ako sa amin? There's something about distance in here, whether by land or by seas or by air, no? That you probably wanted to go or magtago for now. Not really magtago kay person, but mag-unwind ba, no? I wanted to really relax. I'm putting all my energies to myself. So, it doesn't matter or I don't care kung kailangan kong gumastos, di ba? What's important here is me myself, and no, um, I think that your person is somehow for a few numbers of you na medyo nagawa na ito. I think that your person is actually searching, let's say missing. Um, but the thing here is your person is not doing anything. Um, Siguro at the back of their mind, hindi ko naman alam kung saan siya hanapin. Hindi ko naman alam kung saan siya pumunta or pupunta. These information of you leaving, whether it is physical or emotional, was very obvious and noticed by your person. Hindi niya masyadong pinapakita na either concerned siya or, gusto kanyang tanungin. Pero deep inside, gusto niya ring malaman, no? With the Six of Wands and the Five of Wands. So, I feel like ang dami-dami ditong mga issues na napag-aawayan natin lately, no? But I feel like whatever the issues is, medyo pwede bang siguro ito yung gustong sabihin ni person, pwede bang unti-untiin natin? Siguro nag-pile up, no, itong mga issues na ito. It could also be an issue with money. It could also be an issue with the house per se, no, lalo na dun sa mga in cohabitation. Food probably, no, or travel. But what I am seeing in here is pwede bang isa-isahin natin, i-itemize natin, and then let's figure this out one issue at a time, no? Uh, or actually, your person is probably doing some journaling, no? Yung parang sinusulat nila, ito yata yung issue, no? Bakit um, umalis or aalis si Taurus or bakit lumayo? Ano ba ang pwede kong gawin? So, parang yung overthinking, nalipat ngayon kay person, no? Kasi parang chances are yung iba sa inyo nawala na parang bula. The Strength card and the Nine of Wands. So, what I am seeing in here for a few numbers naman na nananatili, no, or nakikita kayo, parang naging wala kayong pakialam, no? May ayaw niyong kausapin. What I am doing in here, I'm stepping up the ladder. No? Kung gusto mong manatili dyan sa baba, that's for you. No? For me, I want to elevate my life. If you're gonna be with me, so go ahead, no? Parang level your pace, pero not to a point na aantayin kita sa baba, no? That's not what I signed up for. That's also not the life that I wanted. So, if you're gonna be here with me sa taas, they good para sa atin. If not, I feel like it's good for me, no? So, there's no losing end here for you. The lost would be for your person. Now, the Judgment, the Three of Cups, and the Star. So, what I am seeing in here, I think that your person here is somewhat in the verge of making a decision, ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Paano ko mabibilisan ang pace? No, paano ko mabibilisan ang takbo at makahabol ako kay Taurus with the Ace of Cups and the Four of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, napansin mo na medyo tinamad itong si person, whether it is giving the abundance, it could be money, it could be material things, it could also be the time, the energy, no? Kumbaga sa'yo, um, dapat habang tumatagal itong relationship natin, lalo dapat itong tumatamis, lalo dapat itong, kumbaga, nag-i-improve. Pero pabaligtad yung nangyayari. Nagsimula tayo sa mataas, pababa tayo ngayon, no? So I feel like whatever it is that you're doing, hahapyawan ko to, no? Kasi medyo ano siya, medyo kailangan ko sabihin kasi napaka-dominant. So, if for I mean for those of you na gustong umalis, no, whether this is a visa, I feel like it is going to be approved, or you're applying for somewhere. I'm seeing celebrations in here. I also want for those of you who's engaged in sexual interaction, no. Um, it doesn't matter kung kasal kayo or not. You might also want to check, no, baka mamaya may laman, no, itong tiyan. So, this is just the, um, I don't want to say challenges, but that's one of the factor that you might probably focus on dahil, baka nga naman kasi when it comes to traveling, no, sayang din naman, babalik din naman dito if in case, no, or if kaya naman, no, something here medical, no, and it's something reproductive, no. But I feel like there's, kung ito naman din talaga yung plan, no, for the both of you to have a child, then that's good, no. So nahapiawan ko lang siya with the Wheel of Fortune and the Emperor, no. What I am seeing in here is that your plan is going to work no matter what, whether your person is there, whether your person is not there. I'm seeing the victory is with you, no. So parang, um I think that you are very independent as of the moment. Um, Actually, kapag sumunod nga sa'yo si person, no, um, or kumbaga, ni-level niya yung kanyang takbo sa takbo ng ginagawa mo, swerte niya kasi parang ikaw ang magbibitbit ng fortune, no? Ikaw ang magbibitbit ng abundance. Ngayon, depende na lang din kung medyo egoistic itong si person natin, no? Eh, kung medyo mataas ang kanyang ego, no? At parang kung babae ka, Taurus, no? Lalo na kung babae ka, tapos si person ay lalaki, no? Baka feeling niya matatapakan natin yung kanyang bayag, eh, problema niya, no? But what I am seeing in here, whether with or without the person, the success is there, the blessings is there. Um, Parang yun sa'yo, okay lang na, okay lang humabol ka, kung hindi, okay lang din. Diyaan ka muna person, no? Let's see here. It could be your emotion or it could be your person's emotion. Ano? So let's check. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated and I'm tired of running. So I think that this is you, no? More of I'm tired of running. I'm tired of running and stopping also, no? Para lang, kumbaga, pinipigilan ko yung buhay ko para catch up ka, pero I'm tired of it. I'm sick and tired of running into your pace, and I believe that this is the time for me to run on my own pace, no? Um, with the I wish that we could be together, but it's complicated. But as of the moment, no, katulad ng sinabi ko, it might be a little complicated kasi pwedeng hindi kasama si person sa mga um, pangarap natin for now. Pero hindi naman yun nangangahulugan na out ka na, no? Out ka na person. But the thing here is, you have to, magsikap din, di ba? You have to level your energy with me. So this is your reading, Taurus. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. All right. Uh, I'm seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, buo, water placements, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, uh, Taurus. Baka kapwa Taurus ito, no? So yeah, that is your reading, Taurus. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling ninyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po ang aking link. All you have to do is to click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Medyo ibaba nyo lang po, no? Kasi meron po tayong announcement dun sa fake accounts. Sa pinakababa po, nandun po yung question form. The details of how much per question, no, the QR code, the mode of payment, the name that you can refer to. Pag hindi po nag-match, kung meron man nagme-message sa inyo, so hindi po ako yun. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So tuloy ang manahan, Taurus, nandun po sa description box then yung link ng fake accounts na pwede nyo i-report. Screenshot it, may designated email tayo doon. Once nag-appear natin, I will be doing a raffle for a winner for a free reading, no? So that's actually free of charge. This is your reading, Taurus. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.